Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ClickUp for AI project automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the ClickUp website URL, www.clickup.com. Once the website loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will now see the login page. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you have entered your email and password, click the Login button to proceed. If you are logging in for the first time, you might be prompted to set up your workspace. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the workspace setup. After logging in, you will be directed to your ClickUp dashboard. To start automation for your AI project, navigate to the Automations section on the left sidebar. Click on Automations to explore the available automation options. Choose the automation template that best suits your AI project needs. Customize the automation settings to align with your project objectives. Once you have configured your automation, click Save to apply the changes. Your ClickUp account is now set up for AI project automation. Feel free to explore additional features to enhance your project management experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.